What's up YouTube? It's your girl Nisi and I am back with another video. This video is going to be an unboxing video. I got some products from Dynel Cosmetics. I'll have their link in the description below. I'll also have a discount code below. I'll have their Instagram and Facebook as well in the link below, so tune in. So I have been working with Dynel Cosmetics for well over a year. It's a small business, black owned, woman owned. So, you know, I love, anybody that knows me knows I love working with minorities, women, people of color. So yeah, first things first, nice packaging. Let's go with the first thing that I see, which is glitter gloss. Look at those colors, baby. Yes. So, first let's try it on. I already have some lip gloss on, so I'm gonna wipe it off. Okay. Let's get into the shimmer. So there's 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I like this, and as y'all can see, there's 2 different colors. I don't know if y'all can see. There's purple and gold shimmer. And first off, I love the colors. Purple is like my favorite color. I love the packaging, cute. The name of this lip gloss is Queen. So when you guys go to the website, look for Queen, and that's gonna be this one. It's K-W-E-E-N. So there's that. Again, Queen. This is lit, y'all. This is really lit. Alright, so the next thing, well, I got a card. That's sweet. See glitter falling out. Okay, the card says, "Thank you so much for your continued support. It really means the world and more. XOXO Dynel Cosmetics." Aww, that's really sweet. Thank you, girl. Thank you for rocking with me. Thank you for supporting me. You know what I'm saying? You know how it is. You know how we go. Way back. Alright, so I'm going to open this package. Ooh, cute. Okay. Look at this. This is the packaging. Here's one palette. So let's pick it out. And Dynel Cosmetics makes their own eyeshadows, their own palettes, their own lip gloss, their own everything. Everything is handcrafted. So it's like super amazing that you have that talent and, you know, with colors, and you can put everything together and make it beautiful. So here's one. This is the palette, how it looks. I love the mermaid vibes. This is the Optimistic palette. See, this is super cute. Like, I love how this is made. Like, the packaging is super cute. The shadows is popping as usual. So I'm going to swatch some of these, and then I'll show you guys what it's looking like. So let's go with my finger. Honey, look at that. And that's this orange one. Honey, what? I'm gonna put it on my hand. Girl, child. And that's one swatch. Like, it's super pigmented. Like, honey, yes. And I still got like a lot on my finger. And that's one swipe with my finger, y'all. Honey. Okay, let's try another one. I'm gonna go with this white. I'm using a brush for this. Look at that white. Honey, yes. There's the white on my finger. white and orange. That's lit. That is really lit. Okay, let's try one more color. Which color should I try? The gray or the light pink up there? I think I'm gonna go with gray or silver. Silver. Let's go with silver. Alright, silver on my finger. That's the silver. Yo, look at these shadows. Like, come on, sis. Come on, sis. Like, poppin', period, please. Yeah, this is pretty lit. I love it. I love all the neutral colors. You know, I live for some shimmer, honey. I live for some shimmer and glitter. So, this palette is perfect. It's super cute, travel size. Again, this is called the Optimistic from the Fairy Bell collection. As y'all can see. Super, super, super fucking cute. Cannot wait to use it. So the next one, I'm gonna put this back in the thing for I love it. Alright. So what we have next is a bigger palette. Same cute little, you know, glitter packaging. You know what I'm saying? Mermaid vibes, honey. Mermaid vibes. Yes. This packaging is super cute. Like, I love it. Like the holographic, the mermaid vibes is like really good. Okay, I keep opening this shit around. Stuff around. So boom. This is the luxurious palette from the Fairy Bell collection. Look at these colors. Come on. Get into it. Get into it. Honey, yes. Honey, yes. Period. Okay, so look, I'm about to swatch these. I'm gonna use this hand to swatch on this one. Ooh, there's so many colors like First things first, we're going for the yellow because, you know, anybody that know me know that yellow is my favorite color. So let's go with the yellow. And I'm going to do blue. And I'm going to do purple. Ooh, it's purple, honey. Let's go with this green. Okay, look. Honey. I know my hand look weird like this, but look at these colors, honey. Honey, yes. Girl, look, listen, stop. Stop what you're doing. Let me tell you something. Stop what you're doing. I got a little purple on this one too. Look at this. Look at this. Stop what you're doing right now. Right now. Go to Dynel Cosmetics. The website will be in the link below. Y'all need to cop this right now because sis, do you see these? One swatch, honey. I wasn't double swatching, I wasn't triple swatching, none of that. Double, triple, quadruple, none of that. This is one. One. Honey. Look, listen. Pay attention. Look at this. This is beautiful. This is gorgeous. Dynel Cosmetics, per usual, sis, you did the damn thing. Did the damn thing, period. Okay, I think I got one more thing. With some lashes. Oh, these are lit. Okay. Some cute lashes. Ooh, honey, yes. Look at that. First off, look at the packaging. Like, sis, you are lit. Period. Baby girl. It might be some on voice. Yo, these lashes for real, like, I love me some mink lashes, some 25 MM or whatever lashes. I love them or whatever. But these is cute too, you know what I'm saying? I'm not sure if these are 25 mm or not, but honey, they got some volume to it. They're not super long, and you can see me, like, I have little eyes, so if I have some super long lashes, they're gonna be touching the top of my eyebrow. It's just not gonna work for me. I cannot wait to put these on though, honey. I love me some lashes. Yes. Get into it. Yeah, honey. Yes, Dynel Cosmetics. Matter of fact, and you know what? While I'm on here, I'm gonna put some of that shadow on one of my eyes so y'all can see what the vibes is like. Let me look. Okay. Let's see. Should I go for the luxurious palette or let's do the luxurious palette? Let's see what we can get into. Get into it, sis. Get into it. Brush is just falling all over the place. Alright, so I like this purple, so we're gonna go for this purple real quick, like honey. Do y'all see? Sis. Wow. Girl. What? Girl, what? Who are you again? What's your name, sis? Baby girl. Yo, like, look, serious, dead ass, like, this purple is popping. Honey, if you not riding the wave now, don't ride it. That's not what I mean. If you ain't riding the wave now, you gonna ride it later. Because, baby girl, when I tell you, this palette is popping. Look at this purple. Like, let's get into it. I just don't even know what to say no more. Look, y'all got to just get with Dynel Cosmetics. Follow them. Check out their store, their website online. Get you some glitter gloss. Get you some lashes. Get you some palettes, some shimmer shadows. They also have loose glitter, I believe. Get into it. And do not forget, I'm going to have all the information from what I got in the description below. So if you like any of these, you can go directly to the website and search. And you know what I mean? It'll be easy for you to find. Let me put some more of this on. Got me in here. I love myself. But yes, thank you so much, Dynel Cosmetics, for sending me this package. I love it. And you know what I'm going to do with it. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to bring through that slayage. And thank you everybody that's tuning into this video, watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Put the post notifications on. Like, comment under this video. I also have my social media outlets in the link below. And I will see you guys soon. Love you.